Hello, Unique family. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on this video and spending just a little bit of your time with me. Today, I'm going to show you what we received in our Avon swag box for 2021. I had a blast this weekend, and if you are a rep, let me know what was the highlight that you remembered in this wonderful Avon convention. I will be showing you things that are coming up, things that are new, and things that are just going to blow your mind with the skincare, body, and so much more. And I cannot wait to show this very special unboxing with you today. Welcome to Uneek Beauty. Now, if you are new here, my name is Patrice, and here at Uneek Beauty, I love to cover all things, including makeup, skincare, hair, and so much more. If this intrigues you, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any time that we upload here. Yes, if you're not familiar, this is actually the Avon Charmed perfume. As you see right here, I will have a special unboxing on that as well. So if you don't want to miss that and the fragrance notes and everything, I will be telling you also in a later video. But today we're going to be opening up our Avon Convention swag box. I did go all out this year. Last year I did not do the swag box because I was fairly new. I've only been in Avon for a year, and this year I was like, I'm going to go all out and I'm going to get my very own swag box. So I was able to accrue it today, and I'm going to unbox it with you right now. So the first thing I see in my box is this beautiful card here that says, get ready to be obsessed. To make this year's convention extra special, we're gifting you the latest and greatest beauties, a $200 value. Share your favorites and your excitement of the convention with your social using all these hashtags. Hashtag Avon Convention, hashtag Avon Rewards. We are thrilled you are joining us, Avon. I am so excited about this, and we're going to dive right into this box. So that was really cute that they gave me that card first. All right, so we're going to take a look inside. I'm just going to hold this box up for you so you can see it. Ugh. This is heavy. It's over $200 worth of products in here. Really excited about it. All right, so the first thing I see as I take this down is the new, there we go, the new Far Away. And this is Far Away Intense. So if you're used to Intense, we just introduced the Haiku Intense, which is 3 beautiful scent collections, and I loved it. It was Haiku Intense, Haiku Kyoto Flower, and Haiku Sacred Intense. Both beautiful colors, both beautiful scents. I cannot wait for you to see that coming up really soon. I think I still have 2 of them left, and I cannot wait to show you and give you the scent notes and everything for it. All right, so we're just going to read the back of this beautiful box. Look how beautiful this is. It says, transport yourself to the exotic and beyond with Far Away Intense, a potent blend of fuchsia, jasmine, absolute, and intensing amber brings out your inner wanderlust. This journey begins now. And this is so pretty. This is a Indala Parfum, and this is 1.7 fluid ounces. Oh my gosh, this box. It looks like a setting on a kimono. It is so beautiful how it looks. And I will be able to test this beautiful fragrance really soon. So if you don't want to miss this unboxing and this review for this, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you won't miss any time we upload this video. The next thing we have, and I am so excited to show you, is this beautiful bubble bath. This bubble bath here is called Peppermint Delight Bubble Bath. And as you see, it is sealed. Yay. But I, again, will do a review on everything in this box. And some of the things I've already have videos for up. But I will take a peek and we'll do a special video just for the reviews on everything in this box. So stay tuned for that. I'm really excited. So this beautiful bubble bath is in the Avon Senses collection. It will come out, I believe, in campaign 24, but of course I'll keep you up to date when it does come out. This says, 'tis the season to indulge in your magical peppermint fragrance, enticed with creamy vanilla, white chocolate, chilled raspberries, and cool freesias. This luxurious bubble Gently cleanse and leave your skin delightfully scented. Oh, just the sound of this is going to sound amazing. You know what? I'm a sucker for a bubble bath. Oh, God, this smells so good. Oh, I cannot wait. Y'all, I'm going to go take me a bubble bath. All right, let's see what else we have in this box. All right, so the next thing I'm pulling up is a piece of jewelry. This is the Shimmering Teardrop earrings. Just open the box. All righty. Ooh, those are beautiful. Let me just remove the plastic for you so you all can see it. If y'all can, that's what it looks like. But I want to remove the plastic so you can see it better. Oh, how beautiful. And these are gold backings. These are hooks, fish hooks. Gold fish hook backings, and there they are right there. So beautiful, beautiful earrings. Look how the light catches inside of those. Those are gorgeous. Oh, I'm excited about, you know what? I'm excited about these. I'm just going to put them on right now. And I just like to bend the hook on my earrings. I've done this for a long time. I don't really like putting the rubber stoppers on the back of my earrings. I just bend the hook back. Hello. All right. Ooh. Look at that. Those are pretty. I like those. All right, let's get in the rest of this box. All right, so the rest of this box has the Equinox, oh yes, the Equinox LX Anew Platinum Sculpting Day Cream. I have been doing a lot of TikToks with this. I've been doing a lot of stuff on my Instagram with this, and this is wonderful. So this helps give your aging, sagging skin a visible lift of multi-benefits and sculpting day creams, infused with hibiscus extract and blended with anti-aging ingredients. This deeply moisturizing formula visibly tightens skin contours and reduces the appearance of wrinkles for a firmer, smoother, and more sculpted look. Hello, this is what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, because I hit 42 and it just seems like my face is doing this little droop thing, but it's going to be okay. It did come with a little spatula, and that is what the thing looks like. I've always loved the Equinox brand. It does come sealed, but again, I have been using this because if you've seen my channel, my Instagram channel and my TikTok feeds and stuff, I have been using this for days, and I will do a self-care Sunday and because that's what we usually do here. We do self-cares and everything like that, so I can review products with you. All right, so the next thing that's in this box, and I have been loving this too, and this is the Equinox. This is a sculpting oil serum, and it helps do the same benefits as the cream does. It's a non-greasy formula containing violet droplets and helps you deliver rejuvenating ingredients and visibly tightens your facial contour. So all of this will be tightened. Yes, ma'am. I need this. So I need kind of like a little facelift in my face, if you don't mind. I thank you so much. And this is what the bottle looks like. This is what the component looks like. It's an easy pump. Looks like that. It's beautiful. So smooth and so soft. This is it on my skin. There we go. Look at that. Ooh, so nice. It has a light violet scent, the flower violet. It smells kind of like that, but very light, very not overpowering violet, but it smells beautiful. I'm so excited to try that on my face. So let's go back into this box and get something else out. So the next thing we have in our box is this beautiful ornament here. It says it contains a pewter ornament in one pouch. Let's see. Here's the velvet. Wow, what a beautiful velvet pouch. Beautiful bright red velvet pouch. And if you're a person that loves the holidays and you collect like ornaments and things like that, I'm telling you, this is going to be a collectible as you would want. I have a lot of holiday stuff that I'm going, oh, this is pretty. This is really pretty. I have a lot of holiday stuff that I'll be getting this year, and I would love to show you that. It also has a beautiful red tassel like this. And here it is, this beautiful star, if you guys can see. And it does have little little crystals in it, like these little beautiful blue in here. And it does have the Avon logo on the back, and it is a dated piece, so it does say 2021. If you're a person that loves to collect ornaments with dates on them, I know I love to. This will be a great addition to add to your tree. So let's see what else we have. So the next thing I see is SMG Glimmer came out with a brand new product, and this is it right here. And I believe this is the lip plumper, and this is in the color Brilliant. Yep, this is a lip plumper in the color Brilliant. We will, of course, test that in an upcoming Get Ready With Me or even in a video with Amanda. So stick around to see if this works. Now, y'all know, my lips are very much full, and there was a video I did with TONI Talks Unboxings where she gave me a lip plumper. Okay, we'll try it. We'll try it. I'm not gonna say I'm not, but we will try it, and I will show you, and of course, to give you my honest opinion on how this works. Or I might just put it in my giveaway pile so one of you can try it. So if you want to know if it's going to be part of the giveaway or am I going to give it a try on my lips, don't forget to stick around and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of the time that we, of course, upload here on our channel. Now, there are some products in here that I call deluxe size samples, and let me show you what they are. So the first deluxe size sample I see is this beautiful Green Goddess facial oil. I use Green Goddess a lot, and with this little deluxe size sample, there's plenty in here for you to give it a try. It's only 4 to 6 drops on your face, massage it and go. So this will be great for travel. So when I go back on vacation, I can just take my little Green Goddess oil with me and I'll be good to go. Another sample I have in here is our Softies 100% organic cotton coverage. These are sanitary napkins, and this is in the regular size, and it contains 2 pads. I do keep these size samples with me at all times. I do have young girls, and also we love to give them back to the women's shelter in the Teen Prevention Center, which is a wonderful center here in North Carolina that helps at-risk teens, teens who are runaways, and also teens who are teen parents who do not have a place to stay. So I love doing this. I do a great care package with them. If you would like to see that, please like up this video and let me know in the comments below, would you like to see how we do our care packages to send to shelters, to the women's prison, to the men's prison, detention centers, any of that. I would love to show you in upcoming videos. All right, another deluxe sample in here is that wonderful toothpaste. Now this toothpaste is original. This is the original one. Eat the Melt. This Eat the Melt toothpaste has the special blends of anti-plaque ingredients and flavors that help keep your teeth and gums clean and healthy. It also has the detective strong taste of Ethamel. So I actually am going to give this toothpaste a try. I will do a self-care Sunday video and also review this for you to let you know. I've never used this. I always use the Peppermint toothpaste, which is the green and the blue. I use that a lot in our family, and also the Curiously Strong Mint toothpaste as well. I've never tried that before, but I am going to give it a try, and I will give you a review really, really soon. The last 3 things in this box, actually 2 things in this box, because one of them are together. I love getting these Green Goddess samples. So we received 10 samples of the Green Goddess samples. So you know, if you're part of the sample club, you'll get extra Green Goddess samples because it wasn't part of my sample club this month. But since Avon gifted it to me in this wonderful swag box, I'll go ahead and throw them in there for you. The last thing we received in our wonderful swag box for Avon Convention was this beautiful lip balm here. Now, this is the Calendar Lip Balm, which I absolutely love. And this is Avon Care Deeply 2002 Lip Balm. And this has the whole year, of course, on the packaging. But I just absolutely love that it's pink, it's vibrant, it's like, yay, look at me, it's 2022. And when you rub it on your lips, it'll be an excellent addition. I'm actually going to throw this in our giveaway box so that way you all can get it when you win the giveaway. Okay, so let's go over this box again. We have the Avon Cure 2022 Calendar Lip Balm. We got 2 beautiful 10-count samples of the Green Goddess. We also received the Eat Them All Original Toothpaste, the Softie 100% Organic Sanitary Napkins, the deluxe size of Green Goddess Facial Oil, the FMG Glimmer Lip Plumper, this beautiful star ornament in its very own velvet case, Knox Platinum Day Sculpting Cream, Knox Platinum Sculpting Oil Serum, Avon Senses Peppermint Delight, Fireway Intense Adala Parfum, and these beautiful shimmering teardrop earrings. Well, I am over the moon excited about all the beautiful products I received in my Avon Convention Swag Box. I cannot wait to try out these products, and I'm happy to review them for you in upcoming videos. Well, that is all the time that we have for today. I hope that you enjoyed looking at my beautiful swag box and all the beautiful things coming out this holiday season rolling at you from Avon. So from all of us to all of you, remember to be happy, be kind, always be courageous. God bless, and we'll catch you on the flip side.